In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Customer Success Workspace in HubSpot efficiently. This workspace is a powerful tool for ensuring your customer interactions are smooth and your team is aligned on client success strategies. Let's start by heading over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll want to log in by clicking on the Login button located in the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll enter your credentials. If you have the option to sign in with Google, you can make things simpler by choosing this method and selecting your account. This will quickly log you into your HubSpot environment. Now that you're in, navigate over to the Service section. You'll find all the tools related to customer success here. Click on it, and within this section, you'll want to proceed by selecting Customer Success. This is a crucial step because this part of HubSpot is where you can really dive deep into your team's performance with your clients. Within the customer success area, you have access to multiple valuable features: summary, customers, services, revenue, actions, schedule, and feed. Each of these plays an important role in managing and understanding how your services are performing from a customer perspective. Let's start by clicking on Summary. Here, you'll be greeted with an overview of your customer success metrics. It's a place where you can visualize your current performance, helping you understand how well your team is meeting your clients' needs. It's like having a dashboard that gives you a pulse on client engagement and satisfaction. Next, move to the Customers tab. This part is where you can create a new company or manage existing customer relationships. It's all about understanding your clients better and serving them efficiently. Keeping an updated list can significantly enhance communication and outcomes. After you familiarize yourself with the Customers section, check out the Services tab. This tool is designed to streamline your customer success process. By utilizing the service object here, you can effectively manage all customer interactions and ensure you're providing top-notching service consistently. Now, let's take a look at the Revenue section. This is your go-to place for creating and viewing all your deals. It's an advantageous feature that keeps all your financial transactions and objectives in clear view, making deal tracking a breeze. Following that, head over to the Actions tab. Here, you will find all alerts that need your attention. Managing alerts efficiently is crucial as they often indicate the areas requiring immediate action to ensure customer satisfaction. By understanding and utilizing these integral parts of HubSpot's customer success workspace, you put yourself ahead in delivering exceptional service to your clients. Whether you're just starting or looking for ways to optimize your current processes, mastering these steps will definitely enhance your team's workflow and client satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in getting you started with HubSpot's customer success workspace.